So guys, notice this. All of this talk about endurance, all this talk about watching out for false teaching, paying attention to what is true, contending for the faith, our endurance includes the evangelistic impulse. We walk out into the world with this. Endurance is not hiding and waiting. Endurance is not waiting for judgment to fall on that weird neighbor across the street. Judgment is not hoping that our social media enemies get what's coming to them. That's not endurance. Christian endurance is shot through with the love of God. So remember, endurance requires clarity about Jesus Christ and the conviction, the courage of our faith. The courage that it is true and the courage that it can actually transform every life that receives Jesus.